Hey guys, today we're going to check out the all-new VinFast VF8. This is a mid-size SUV from VinFast that competes with the Hyundai Ioniq 5, Kia EV6, Nissan Ariya, Volkswagen ID4, Ford Mach-E, and the Toyota BZ4X. According to a VinFast sales rep, the VF8 will be a cost-effective EV option that has better build quality than a Tesla. VinFast is a Vietnamese car manufacturer that just started to make their debut in America. They had a presence at the 2021 LA Auto Show. The VF8 comes in two trims, the Eco and the Plus, starting at $40,700 plus a monthly subscription plan for the battery because apparently the battery isn't included in the purchase price of the car. I have to disclose that this is a pre-production model for the VF8 Plus. I came to see the VF8 because I wanted to see the car in person before making any judgment. First off, there is no deep trunk for actual cargo, but just enough room for an EV charger or a backpack. It is less than half the size of a Model 3's trunk. The charger door is manually opened, which can be unlocked from inside the car. The trunk has a power liftgate where the button is at the very bottom near the bumper. The VF8 is roughly the same size as the Ford Mustang Mach-E, though the cargo room didn't feel that spacious for the exterior dimension of the car, much like a compact SUV instead of a mid-size one. There were also no rear seat release to fold down the seats from the back of the trunk. However, it does come with a spare tire, which most other EVs do not. The difference between the Eco trim and the Plus is that you don't get a moonroof and big wheels option. The moonroof has a curtain that retracts all the way when needed. It is definitely not for tall people in the back, but if you're under 6 feet, you'll be fine. However, legroom does feel tight even for people shorter than 6 feet in the back. The interior did not feel very premium. In my opinion, Tesla's material felt much better and better put together than this car. I know Tesla shoppers are unlikely to cross-shop a VinFast, but Tesla's build quality is known to be not very good, so it is slightly worrying that VinFast's interior build quality feels less well put together than the Tesla. I'm looking at a pre-production model, so hopefully they will improve this in the real production car. The VF8 does come with some cool tech, such as standard ambient lighting, dog mode, camp mode, valet mode, as well as the ability for over-the-air updates. They also offer a special feature called the VinFast Smart Driving, which is similar to Tesla's full self-driving package for a premium. VinFast is still deciding on how to price out their driver's assistance package, which could be a monthly or a one-time fee. Test drives are supposed to begin mid-September 2022. Regarding charging and battery, VinFast is letting you choose either $1,200 credit for installing a home charger or free charging at Electrify America for 3 years. It all depends on what you plan to do for charging. For those of you that want to charge at home, VinFast will help you set up the appointment for a local electrician to get everything installed for you. The VF8 has two monthly plans, which are the fixed plan and the flexible plan. If you're an early subscriber, you are able to lock yourself in a flat monthly fee forever. The fixed plan is $110 per month, and the flexible plan is $35 per month, with a maximum monthly mileage of 310 miles and 11 cents per mile after that. The fixed plan is probably the most common plan for most of the buyers. However, you do get to change your plan every month, which is good if you're not going to drive a lot that specific month. The additional cost of owning a VinFast will be $110 times 12 months times 4 years equals to $5,280. This is an additional $5,280 you would have to pay if you were to keep it for 4 years. The battery leasing program means that you don't own the battery, which means you don't have to worry about the battery warranty. VinFast claims that they will be providing a lifetime battery warranty covering all repair and maintenance costs if the charging capacity falls under 70%. The 125,000 miles warranty is bumper to bumper, excluding the battery. My personal opinion on this is that this is an average new product for something released in 2022. Besides the strange battery subscription, There is nothing the VF8 does particularly poorly, but nothing about this car stands out either. It does come with quite a bit of standard equipment, but reliability for a new car maker is definitely always going to be a concern because it is unknown. Another thing I personally would never buy is the first year of a brand new car model, especially when it is a new company in the US, unless you love the car so much that you're willing to overlook all potential problems you might encounter from a new model. Things like charging problems or quality issues could happen with any new model from any manufacturer, and there may not be an immediate fix available from the manufacturer. But if you really like the VF8, I would highly recommend test driving this car before making up your mind. With the ongoing markups at traditional dealerships, the VF8 could be the surprise of the year with a lot of bang for your buck, such as Tesla-like features for a fraction of the price. Alright, that's it for now. I hope this helps you decide on your next car. Like and subscribe for more!